So this is our 3D printing device. It's a company made by the UP Mini. Yeah, you can pronounce it as a UP Mini. And it is quite small, but it will be enough to do our work. Here is a stepper motor, and yeah, there is also one. Okay, let me focus. Okay, so now we'll be printing our gear in a while, and we'll show you how we do that. So you can see it has started. It is now open, and here are some settings like materials, print, calibrate, information, and other. It is making a sound, you can hear it. Okay. And we have attached its adapter and one USB. USB will be connected to our computer to give the design we wanted to print. And there is also one small device. It is a box of the material that we will be using. Okay, that it will be using to print any type of material, any type of shapes. So it will be just moving, and now you can see. Okay, it is a initializing process, and now it is in the center. All are in the center.
Okay, how do we operate this? First of all, we need.
Okay.
First of all, we need to withdraw this material, this remaining material.
Okay.
It can be withdrawn from the material options and retract.
Okay, retract.
And it will slowly move backwards.
We'll wait for a while.
It is a slow process.
Is it moving or what?
So I think it should be heated. This temperature is increasing, right?
Yeah, 74, 81.
When it reaches to the desired temperature, then it starts to retract.
Okay, it is a 33 degree. I think 33 degrees is our atmosphere temperature, and 128 degrees of the inside, the device. It is increasing.
Yes,
And still
it is not moving.
it is not
Only after
retracting.
220 plus it will start to move.
Oh my gosh. So actually, this type of machine works at 220 plus degrees Celsius to make the material, to heat it, and to make the paste of it. 5, 9.
Which sounds now it is withdrawing it slowly.
Okay, you can see now.
Slowly
Okay,
moving out.
slowly moving out. There is a displacement too, and the temperature is about 270.
Look, it
Okay.
is like this. No?
Yeah.
It was previously printed remaining material, so we have to keep it off. It
Okay.
like this. Then now to insert this material, we have to first insert it here. Then now we have to click this extrude. Now again it needs to be
Extrude.
heated.
Okay, again its temperature is increasing to 32, 31. Okay, it has remained constant at about 232.
No, it
Okay, now it is increasing. Yeah, and we have to just keep it like that so that the material will fit in to its compartment.
After it makes sound, it comes like this.
Yeah.
Slowly it pulls it down.
Okay, it will move forward. Yeah,
is-
you can see like that.
It is going down. Now,
And
now
okay.
you can see that the metal is coming like this.
Oh,
Right? This is called extruding process.
yeah.
So now let's stop extrude.
Okay, and we have just taken off the material.
Yes, now we have completely set up the initial process. Now we can directly give the print.
Okay, now we will be printing our, like the tool that we want. Okay, after connecting this, you will be shown with your option, or we will display it as USB connected. and we can further do our work.
So for in this office today, we can see this is the interface of the software. To add a model, there is a plus icon here. You can see that. So press that plus icon. Then here are predefined models also. For example, if you want to print a pyramid, then it can be printed by default. You can change its dimension, the bottom radius if you want to. Okay, it's deleted. If you want to change the dimensions, then here you can type 20, anything. You don't press delete. If you press delete, then the model will be deleted. I will press backspace. So 20 mm initial diameter and 20 mm height. By this you can increase the number of sides also. Like this you can print the basic models, but today I am going to print my own custom model. So there is another option here, this add 3D model. Then you have to go and select the required STL file. This requires an STL or other UPS or OBJ PLY. You can select based on this. I have an STL format, so I will choose this one. So it has been imported. So this is around 110 mm diameter gear. So after I imported this, I will be printing from here. So I will be selecting how much percentage to infill. That is, here is option for 15%, this 20%, this is 65%. This directly affects the strength of your material and the component you print, but it also directly affects the time of the printing. So higher the amount of fill, the higher time it takes. So based on your requirement, you can select the amount of infill required. So I will be selecting currently 20%, and this nozzle offset you can leave this all to default. So again there are some parameters here to set. Here is the type of material that you can choose from: ABS, PA plastic, TPU. So currently I will be choosing ABS plastic. So the previously I showed the extrude and withdraw command, that this extrude and withdraw can be done from this software also. So while you connect this USB to the computer, you cannot do anything to the printer from the printer screen. So everything should be controlled from here. So this all thing I will leave it to default. Then I will give this print option. So after I read the print command, here you can see the slicing means it is doing the pre-processing, all the required pre-processing. So it will convert the model into the pieces of information. So that pieces of information will send to the 3D printer. Then it will start to print. So here you can see this, it is sending. So it is just uploading all the data to the printer. After all the data is uploaded to the printer, it will automatically start its process. Then all the process is automatic. So you do not have to interfere anything, unless if there is any power cut or any problem. So I hope there will be no problem in our 3D printing. So here you can see that after it is uploaded, it will show you how much time it takes to print this component. So here it is showing 4 hours and 38 minutes. So it is a quite long time, and the amount of material it is taking is 62 grams. So after I click OK, then it will start the print. So while printing, you can pause or stop the printing from these options. So okay guys, I will show you the printing process afterwards. After the printer has started its printing.
Okay, we'll be peeling off some other materials, and as you can see, we have given all the data. Now it will print shortly. Okay.
So you can see that it is starting the print. Initially it will print the base.
What is it doing? What is it?
खाली रहँदा फरक पर्छ
सानो लिएर जाउँ
फेरि स्टार्ट गर्नु पर्छ बेटर फिगर पुरा कमेडी
ढाक्न
साह्रो मान्छेको फेस Dalam aja.